finish off your arms, we have an isodynamic contrast curl. There are a couple parts to this. First is the isometric, that's the iso. What we do here is we go up to 90 degrees, flex and hold as hard as you can in order to maximize a mind-muscle connection with your biceps and create metabolic stress directly in the tissue. So we start with our hold at 90 degrees. These are an active 90 degrees here. I'm actively squeezing the dumbbells and flexing my biceps as hard as I can. Once we get to that about 15-second mark, what we do is then we burn out ideally 10 to 12 quality reps to finish off the set.
Did you find this helpful? If so, pound that like button and hit subscribe. Now, if you want a free copy of our Chiseled Muscle Cheat Sheet, the no BS way to help you lose body fat and build lean muscle in 90 days, make sure that you go to the description below and download your free copy. Any questions? Drop them in the comments, and can't wait to see you with the next video.